Greetings everyone, welcome back. This is our day 2 and I have a surprise for you guys. Look at that. Oh my god. So we are in Latimar forest mountain, and we try to make a round here, and I will try to show you more what's in here. Yeah. I will see you. So that is the Dolomites there. It's nice, look at the color. Oh my goodness. So this is the viewpoint there, the viewpoint. It's really stunning. So beautiful. Is there anybody jump here by chance, like swim? Not allowed. So apparently you cannot swim on the lake because it's not allowed, and there it's protected. So it's beautiful indeed. So we're trying to walk now to another lake. We'll see what's the beauty of it there. It's 50 shades of green. Look at that. Now, where are we? So I guess we're almost there. We're almost there. So we're still in the middle of the bukid. It was a cook. I found a gem. Wild strawberry. Yeah, I just let it there. So we are looking for the lago, the lake, and the lake is already has grass. No more lake anymore. So I thought we were lost, but it was gone, the lake. So we thought that we are lost. But the lake is the one who was lost. So that was the lake before there. So apparently it's gone now. Look, so no more lake, and we're going back. So okay. We go to the picture point. There's another mushrooms here. Alone. So welcome, I'm alone here. Whoa. No, my husband and my mother-in-law is there. Let's look at the lake. Oh yeah, this side is also nice, huh? The color. They really put a barricade here, huh? We cannot be naughty and jump up there. Nice. The lake, which we are not allowed to swim. When you go to different sites, it's a different color.
Oh yeah.
Like different shade of blue, green, turquoise.
Tell us more, Miss Tour Guide.
Tell us more.
Miss Tour Guide.
Okay, so 3 years ago, you can see there was no trees up there. There was a storm here, heat, there's forest, and you see it takes years to grow a tree, but it just takes a storm to take them out. So yeah, that's the story. So also here it was hit by a storm. Look at that. And also that part there up. Yeah. So that was all here from the lake. What was the name of it again, love? Karersee. So yeah, I will end up it here and hope you liked it. Bye everyone. So we just had our lunch there. It was nice noodle. It's a local food, and look at the back of me. It's also beautiful. So yes, we don't end up our day without the local food. This is the Dolomites behind me. So next time we're going there. See you.